Ebusia, there is an ongoing challenge ewo TikTok. Na sa challenge, you know, na yenwu ni se SHS students. Ay omushe mema no eshe matare no. Na emma ensusu eshe mema die. Chese enya asem kitwa o. Na yenwu se sa video ne trendy for some time now. Enkofo bi haili sa de we no. Ebi nso condemn. Yenim se Ghana ha die ye preserve your culture ni ye pa ye kire se oba de o hye oba atare nanka bema nso ahye bema atare sade we koso wo schools ni ebusa o say eye management administration no omu ni ekoso na no mo kwache se o mahu no mabu omani eguso yenko he such videos ni bi mra ye ba ye beto amuso
yeah. Baby girl, me I no go lie. When I see it, then I die. Cause if they love me like I love you, touch me like I touch you, I don't think about you every night. You over me, girl, I no go lie. Cause if they kiss me like I kiss you, I say me sawa, uni suwa, na mi suai. Oro sewa ma, yeah me go. I send me boom more and 10 beer reason when you focus about friend and a bad as yet. It me come make candlelight, so straight to action. Tell a woman my satisfaction, baby. Mama I can get more before your day and I was a baby. Tell a woman me, she know what mommy baby I go. Baby, to a woman, she know what mommy baby I go. I got a girl, she a London thing. She wanna roll one, smoke one thing. I want to give her a diamond ring, but she say all girls like one thing. She make my heart beat say like a boom boom. Next time you gonna take it to boom boom. Hurry down, we go boom boom. Open the wagon, baby say boom boom. Say cheese, take a picture. Strike a post, make a see, take a picture. Say cheese, take a picture. Strike a post, make a see, take a picture. Say cheese, take a picture. Strike a post, make a see, take a picture. Say cheese, take a picture. Strike a post, make a see, take a picture. Why you there worry?
Ebusia na de ekoso ewo school mu no enkura ye de o makoso mu nkosua ade o ma de adesua ne ho ana ada ne challenge ye afesu ebusa o time na ye wo SHS no na phones weren't allowed even if we a day students kura untimi emfa phone enku school mu ti ebusa so munya phones ne we he ana mo de yes a videos we nyina na ye se ebusa o se school ni mu no ye campuses for no teachers enti ho ana ada se say teachers o muntimi nyom adwuma biem ana se say ye yankasa awofo no ye mehwe ye maso wo school mu e kame akoye se a students etumi ye ne omupe bia e wo school mu akoye asefem ankasa na okopie mu e wo TikTok app ni so a ye hu ni se a content creation kra no akoye se mema no address se ma minim se one versus about content into me nkwa chiro se den akoye ensem bebre a se enu na trend our app ni so moma yenko similar videos emema equity content wearing ema enyoma
yeah. Baby girl, me I no go lie. When I see it, then I die. Cause if they love me like I love you, touch me like I touch you, I don't think about you every night. You over me, girl, I no go lie. Cause if they kiss me like that, yeah. It me come make candlelight, so straight to action. Tell a woman my satisfaction, baby. Mama I can get more before your day and I was a baby. Tell a woman
ye on conyo do it was ye can I say ye ye na can I ye do ye do no or the ye do and Jesus Christ time no what no o crucify dey no go dini bi o say eli missing no No, it just says maybe she must have been a bar. Ellie. No, more.
To marry a down for an
Mr. Penny was made to marry you. It's not like what's Ellie, no say. Dickness, baby, you know better from Dickness. Name is Elisa.
It's Elisa. Oh, yes, and the pressure rate. Jesus will be our can. What's the name?
Busiane ebinu no eye content creation nyina adane cross dressing ebi mo say ade abaso nti no adwuma keke no mo ye but ye busa we nim say Ghana ha die ye culture ho hia ye oba wo ye oba me hu so wo ye oba wo ye bema nso am ye hu se wo ye bema na nsen ya na ye te ha ana government sin ko mo be pass law anki be ye be twa LGBTQ mu free oman mu na ye busa o ade promoting LGBTQ ana say content bi keke no mo ye is it wrong or it's right ubetimi leave you comment comment section ho de amami na ensem no trendy say social media no so no kopie mo TikTok a ebi mu kire o madwene wo ho na ebi mu say user ni din de Ayambokiti or say, am I the only one who thinks this is worrying? The funny thing is, such trends, you will never know where it started from. Who started it? We are all shouting over cross-dressing and LGBTQ, blah, blah, blah. Yes, also the another user also say, oh no, needing the KTV or same. Do they have teachers and headmaster in such school? I asked this question in my office. So no bisa say anyenye bia headmasters any teachers e wo school yi mu a mo hwema we ekoswa na use about kwa ni di make lazy ono so say Ghana pa de jimie sa na adiasa unnecessary talks instead of thinking of how to fix things correctly. Na so ono de opache say I say ye backlashing ko fo edodo ye hu hia no ene wo say ye na abusua ye busa waso say because of content creation ye be portray as say normal say obema be show oba atare na face so ye normal say oba be she emema atare not just that omo acting so omo acting to say ma eyomo ni omo to say ma are we promoting LGBTQ and now say ye brena say yes I him say about 2 weeks ago Kumasi rich condos omo ye all black party bi na all black party na se no ekopie mu say influencers I call ye bi dress to say ma na eno enam so ema the National Commission on Culture omo deputy executive director anidin Dr. Richardson come feel ono abeka say enimtia edema asante man say ye be ye program bi say na emema be dress say ma ye gu ye culture no ehu fi na o kan say it is very disappointing that we continue to experience such behavior that are an affront to our rich cultural values and norms. And for such an event to happen in Kumasi, one of the leading cities in Ghana where culture and traditions are held in high esteem, this is totally unacceptable. Certain bad elements in our society who want to denigrate our culture and tear down the good moral fiber of our communities for parochial gains always want to hide behind a misleading narrative of globalization and modernism. What happened in Kumasi is a total disrespect to Ghanaian culture and more directly an insult to Otumfuo Osei Tutu II, Menchia and all custodians of culture in the Ashanti region and Ghana at large. Not just say Dr. Richardson or Chema, Sadia course so rich condosi, enimtia edema Otumfuo Osei Tutu, any Menchia, any Asante Mangina, and Kanka any Ghana so say Oba ebe dress say Bema. Na bema address to so bane so raise concern say homete ebasa as ye bu ye culture no as Ghanaians enimtia na abusia mesre say aha let's talk GH boomers so and the first time I will pop into this video now I like it now I share now I subscribe e dey am say the be me uploading new video bia on sabeka your best share say mama ye mo your culture ho ban very 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 important your culture na eno na ye wo oba dress it so oba bema dress it say bema enu ne yenim wo Ghana enti mma ye mbo ho ban ni din de nana akua asantewa makram